If you're a toddler mom, this is the perfect Christmas tree decoration to get for your kiddos. It is felt, so it's nice and thin, as you can see here. We hang it up with just a simple command hook, and it's just got a little hook here through the top of the tree. And hang it up on the wall anywhere, and then it's easily removable when Christmas is over. These decorations are just Velcro, so you can see on the back here, and they're very well made, which is good for your toddler because your toddler is going to be trying to pull on all of these different parts. We've had this one now for 2 years and we haven't had any of these pieces or the Velcro parts fall off. There are Velcro pieces all along here, so your child can just sit here and pull these off and redecorate their own tree. My kiddo's favorite part is the star, and they love putting the star on the top of the tree. Very easy and simple to put away at the end of the day, but it is just so much fun to pull all these pieces off and then move everything around.